Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you all. Google has just unveiled its latest breakthrough in artificial intelligence, and we're here to give you an exclusive look into the new Google AI. So, let's dive right in. And I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey into the world of Google's groundbreaking AI technology. As you may know, artificial intelligence has been rapidly advancing, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. And Google is at the forefront of this revolution. The new Google AI is the result of years of research and development by Google's team of brilliant scientists and engineers. They've pushed the boundaries of what AI can do, creating a system that is more intelligent, versatile, and intuitive than ever before. What makes the new Google AI so special? Well, let's start with its ability to understand and interpret natural language. Google has made significant strides in natural language processing, enabling the AI to comprehend and respond to human speech with remarkable accuracy. You can have conversations with Google AI just like you would with another person. It can answer your questions, provide information, and even engage in more complex dialogues. This opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing productivity, personal assistance, and learning. But that's not all. The new Google AI also excels in computer vision. It can recognize and understand images, making it proficient in tasks such as object detection, facial recognition, and even analyzing intricate details within images. Imagine taking a picture of an unknown plant, and Google AI instantly identifies it, providing you with its name, habitat, and other relevant information. It's like having your very own botanist in your pocket. Furthermore, Google AI's advanced machine learning algorithms allow it to adapt and improve over time. The more it interacts with users and gathers data, the smarter it becomes. This constant learning process enhances its ability to anticipate our needs and deliver highly personalized experiences. Whether it's suggesting personalized recommendations, predicting your preferences, or understanding context, the new Google AI is designed to make your digital interactions more efficient, seamless, and tailored to your unique needs. Now, I know what some of you might be wondering: what about privacy and security? Google takes these concerns very seriously. They have implemented robust measures to ensure the privacy of users' data and protect against any misuse. Transparency and user control are central to their approach. You can trust that your personal information and interactions with the Google AI are handled with utmost care and in accordance with strict privacy guidelines. Please subscribe for more informative content. Please leave a like and a comment for a feedback.